Hi, I'm Trent Jones. I'm an electrical design engineer with LEA, and I'd like to show you one of our new products. This is our CS Glass. It is a wall controller that can configure any of our amplifiers. So we have different group volumes that you can control. You can change your sources on here as well. You can change your source volume too. But the thing that I'm most excited about this new product is our Bluetooth and our internet streaming that will be sent over Dante. So this is not only a controller, but is also an input source. So you can take Bluetooth from your phone or Pandora, any kind of internet streaming, and put that onto here, and that is your on-ramp into the Dante ecosystem. Once you're on the Dante ecosystem, you can route that to any of our amplifiers, and it's super easy. You can completely customize all of the tiles. Right now I'm showing you a more of a residential setup, so you can control all of your kitchen, all of your indoor, and I can go ahead and change to more of a commercial look. And with this, you just want it to be as simple as possible for your customers. So the dining room zone, that's all you see on this screen. You just click in, control the volume. That's all your end customer is really going to want to be able to do. And as the installer, you're able to customize everything, including user roles. So you can actually lock out users from changing sources or messing with any of the settings that you have. And so I'd like to show you a little bit of our setup process. That's also super intuitive. All right, now I'm excited to show you our Sharkware software. This is free and available on the LEA website. This is how you can design and configure all of your sources. We have visual panels, groups. But what I'm really excited to show you is the CS Glass design. So this is where you're able to configure the device that I was showing earlier. We have our dining room. We can limit the volume in here. And so the end user will only actually see, the 0 to 100%, but you can control the maximum gain. You can add, your channels, add subgroups. Everything is super intuitive. You can add tiles, up to 6 tiles per screen. Here's kind of what the source selection looks like. You have our soundtrack I/O on our analog 1, TV on analog 2, DJ band on Dante. And what's really fun is we can go in and configure the display however we want, right? So we have a black, like a dark background and a light background mode. And you can select any kind of background image that you want, change your logo, change your sleep screen. It's all fully customizable with your screensaver. And then, as I mentioned before, you can completely control roles. So if you had your pool staff, you probably want maybe no access for most of the global permissions. And then for the screen permissions, you can change them by screen and by tile. And so then this way, when you click on the lock screen, you'll type in your 4-digit code. That'll detect what user you are and only show you the screens that the integrator wants you to see. So this is a little bit of the difference between our old CS Touch and our new CS Glass. We have all of the features from the old version, plus the on-ramp capabilities of the Bluetooth and the audio, the internet streaming. So this is definitely more of a premium device, and we're really excited to release it. So look for that coming in the fall and winter this year.